What's the meaning of codpiece? Codpiece. Codpiece.
Codpiece. Codpiece. A codpiece is a covering flap or pouch that attaches to the front of male trousers or hose and covers the genitals. It was used in Europe from the 15th to the 16th century, and became an exaggerated fashion statement in the Renaissance era. Initially designed for practical purposes such as protecting the genitals during horseback riding, it later evolved into a symbol of masculinity and virility. The codpiece came to be adorned with intricate decorations and even had some practical uses such as storage for money or even a small weapon.